71. Labang ng tatlo ang SK. 2 minutes, 1 second. Time. That's 2 minutes, 1 second. May papila-pila pa kayo na nalaman ha. Last 2 minutes. Wow! Sorry na pa naman. Pupuloy. 15 seconds shot ko. 10 seconds shot ko. Lagot na Alani. Ingat. Warning for graduation. Warning for penalty. Bihud. 1 minute 37 seconds. Stop. Okay, yes. The inspired to na-intercept ni Mr. Robertson. 120 up. Foul ni Inspirado. Last 1 minute 20 seconds. Penalty. It's your second personal foul, Mr. Inspirado. First throw. Second throw. Wala ka na! Dalabot siya ka! 115! 110! Foul! Last 1 minute, 3 seconds. Penalty! Under penalty, both teams. Under penalty. Last 1 minute, 3 seconds. 103. First throw. Wala. Last 1 minute, 3 seconds. 103. Ano bang score? Ano bang katuan? Apat pa rin ang naman. Ay, pangkita na yan.
Pati kayo.
That's 1 minute. 55. Last 52 seconds. Ay, wala nang time out. Oo naman. Naman na lang pagkakaroon ng 2 time outs. Kailangan pa isa lang dito yan. No time out. That's 52. 50. 45. That's 44 seconds. What's that left? Call on Mr. Flores, number 17. It's your first. Last 44 seconds. Last 44. Lima tilamang. Ay, 79, 70. Pito pa lang. 79, 72. 72. 79, 72. 44 seconds. 44 seconds. Pito na po ang kalamang. 44.
Sige, sir.
40. Last 40 seconds. Yun. Sobret. Archie.